Welcome to the start of your journey to tinnitus relief. Tinnitus is a condition where you can hear a ringing or buzzing in your ears that doesn't exist in your environment. It can be a persistent, annoying disruption to your daily life, causing stress, sleep problems, and often impacts your mental health. It's important to remember that you're not alone. In fact, millions of people around the world experience some form of tinnitus. Before we dive into the relief strategies, let's first understand what causes tinnitus. The most common cause is inner ear cell damage, where tiny, delicate hairs in your inner ear move in relation to the pressure of sound waves. If these hairs become bent or broken, they can leak random electrical impulses to your brain, causing tinnitus. Other causes can include exposure to loud noises, certain medications, or even age-related hearing loss. There are various scientifically endorsed methods to alleviate the effects of tinnitus. One method includes sound therapy, which uses external noises to help change your perception and reaction to tinnitus. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, helps you to change the way you think about your tinnitus and reduce anxiety around it. Another method is tinnitus retraining therapy, or TRT, which is a form of habituation therapy designed to help a person overcome the effects of tinnitus. Apart from the scientific methods, there are also several natural relief methods you can try. Meditation encourages mindfulness and relaxation, which can help your body to sleep, heal, and potentially lessen the effects of tinnitus. A balanced diet and regular exercise can also contribute to your overall ear health. However, it's important to remember, while these methods may provide some relief, they are not a cure, and it's always recommended to seek professional medical advice.